Question number 16 says, you are to give your patient one tablet labeled 0.7 milligrams and one labeled 0.45 milligrams. Find the total dosage. So I have one labeled 0.7 and one labeled 0.45. So to find the total dosage, I basically just need to add these up. And if I do that, I get 1.15. Now I want to make sure that I put units on my answer, and that will be milligrams. So if there's units in the problem, we always need to remember to put units on our answer. Question 17 says you must give your patient a dosage of 4.2 milligrams, but have only 2 tablets labeled 1.65 milligrams. What additional dosage must be given? So we have to give 4.2, and we only have 2 tablets labeled 1.65. So my first step is to figure out how much we have. So if I take 1.65 and multiply by 2, I get 3.3. So then to figure out what additional dosage must be given, I need to take the 4.2 and then subtract the 3.3. So we need an additional 0.9 milligrams.